In this video, I will show you how to create an account, sign in, and update your profile. To enter the storefront, click the Sign In button. Is this the first time you've visited our site? You will need to create an account by clicking Not Registered. Create a profile by completing the user registration card. Set your username as your email address, and your password can be whatever you like. Note that our system does not link to the ETSU sign-in. Be sure to choose all the necessary identifiers for your user profile here, such as your user location, area, and specific department. This helps us bill you for a completed project. At the very bottom of the page, you'll find a section to input your billing address. If you are from a clinic or a department on campus, this will be your department name, department location, office number, and PO box number. The delivery address is your physical location, where we will bring the completed project. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Register. You will receive a verification email requesting you click a link to confirm your account. Once you've done that, you're all set. Already have an account with us and simply forgot your password? Just click the icon labeled Forgot Password to reset. Keep your profile updated to save time when ordering projects. Once you are on your dashboard, marked with the speedometer icon at the top right of your storefront screen, click the wrench in the My Info box and take a look at the departments list. Be sure your primary department is checked, but you can also select other departments for whom you place orders. For example, if you are a university department working collaboratively on a project with a QCOM department, check the QCOM departments you are working with on this list. Other profile areas to keep updated are your frequently used delivery and billing addresses. Click the wrench in the box you would like to view or edit, and don't forget to click Save when finished. Once you're done with your edits and have saved them, the system will automatically return you to your dashboard. Thank you for using BMC Creative, your one-stop shop for design, print, and mail needs.